Whether in a pastry kitchen or in a front-of-the-house action station, our Butane Culinary Torch plays an important role in many food service operations. The Sterno Culinary Torch is easy to set up and operate. These are the components: cartridge fitting, gas control knob, trigger, nozzle. You'll want to use Sterno branded butane fuel with your torch. Sterno butane features two unique safety features called the temperature sensing valve and the rim vent release that prevent an accidental explosion caused by overpressurization. Let me take you through attaching the torch to the canister. This is the collar notch, and this is called the bayonet. Make sure the control knob is turned all the way to the right, towards the minus sign. Simultaneously, align the bayonet with the opening and the collar notch with this tab. Firmly press down and turn the torch clockwise till secure, about a ½ inch. Turn the gas control knob counterclockwise till you hear a slight hiss. Click the trigger and release. Let the torch warm up on a low setting for about 30 seconds before using. Control the flame strength with the gas control knob. This nozzle can get very, very hot. Do not touch while operating. When done, turn the gas control knob clockwise. Let torch cool for 10 minutes and remove. For more information and to get your free safety and usage posters, visit sterno.com.